Hello friends, welcome to this new video. In this video, we are going to see some 1 mark theory questions on welding. This will be really helpful for a quick revision for GATE. If you are liking these videos, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get further updates. So without further ado, let's start. First question, filler material is not used in which welding process? The correct answer is option C, autogenous welding. Second question, which flame is used for welding of brass bronze in oxy-fuel gas welding? The correct answer is option A, oxidizing flame. Third question, which flame produces a hissing sound in oxy-fuel gas welding? The correct answer is option B, neutral flame. Fourth question, what is the time in which a transformer is used for welding under normal conditions? The correct answer is option A, duty cycle. Fifth question, what is the metal deposition rate in DCEP as compared to DCEN? Correct answer is option A, high. Sixth question, arc flow is present in which type of welding? The correct answer is option A, DC welding. Seventh question, in which welding technique there is no heat affected zone? The correct answer is option C, ultrasonic welding. Eighth question, what is the temperature used in plasma arc welding? The correct answer is option B, 20,000 degrees Celsius. Ninth question, what is the maximum temperature of the inner core of oxidizing flame? The correct answer is option A, 3380 degrees Celsius. 10th question, which welding defect occurs due to melting away of base metal? The correct answer is option A, undercut. 11th question, what is the minimum distance between two workpieces before welding? The correct answer is option A, root gap. 12th question, for manual arc welding machine, which welding machine is used? The correct answer is option A, constant current type. 13th question, alumina and graphite are used for which reason in flux coating? The correct answer is option B, deoxidizing agent. 14th question, which welding is used for fabrication of pressure vessels and LPG cylinders? The correct answer is option B, submerged arc welding. 15th question, which of the following has the highest weldability? The correct answer is option A, mild steel. 16th question, what happens to the weldability if the thermal conductivity of base metal is high? The correct answer is option A, it decreases. 17th question, which compound acts as slag in thermite welding? The correct answer is option A, aluminum oxide. 18th question, which welding technique is used for welding of tool steel and die steel? The correct answer is option C, atomic hydrogen welding. 19th question, what is the current range in spot welding? The correct answer is option C, 10,000 to 50,000 amperes. 20th question, which welding is used for cladding of objects to increase corrosive resistance? The correct answer is option C, explosive welding. Thank you so much friends for watching this video. If you have any queries or questions, please write it down in the comment section. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.